Good morning. We are back with Skills 6, Lesson 5. We are going to do our warm-up just like we always do. And I want you to make sure that you let me do it first and then we say it together afterwards. Okay, are you ready? Sorry, I got a little sniffles this morning. Add. Bad. Now with me. Add. Bad. Okay, now I'm going to add a sound in there. And. Band. Okay, now with me. And. Band. Okay, now I'm going to change the first sound. And. Land. Now with me. And. Land. Okay, now I'm going to change the second sound. Okay, and. Lend. Now with me. And. Lend. Now I'm going to add a sound at the beginning. And. Blend. Which is what we were doing. Blending our sounds together. Now you with me? And. Blend. Okay, next word. Swim. Swim. Now with me. Swim. Swim. Next one. Jump. Jump. Now with me. Jump. Jump. Next one. Trip. Trip. With me. Trip. Trip. Now next one. Skip. Skip. See how I blend those together? Do it with me. Skip. Skip. Last one. Limp. Limp. Do it with me. Limp. Limp. Okay, now we are going to review our sounds. Just like we've been doing, I'm going to have y'all pause here, point to a sound not in order. They will tell you the sound, and then they will write it as well. Okay, so resume when you're ready. Same thing for this one. Pause here and resume when you're ready. Point to one of those sounds, have them tell you the sound, and then they will write it as well. And here is the last one. Pause here and resume when you're ready. And right here, we are going to review the alphabet letter names. We have been working with the sounds for so long, and now we are going to try to include both of those, the sound and the letter name. Whenever you're on the screen, we're not going to sing the ABCs because everybody knows how to sing the ABC song. What we're more after is getting them to say it whenever you point to it. So I suggest out of order. Okay, and resume when you're ready. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is talk about this word, lap. That means to drink a liquid by scooping it up with the tongue, like dogs and cats do. They lap up their water or their milk or whatever they're drinking. And the next thing I want to do is actually go through the book, Kits, Cats, how we would do it in class, okay? So I would tell the child to put their finger underneath this first word, and then we're going to sound it out together, one sound at a time. It, kids, and then at, cats. So this is kids, cats. Yes, it will be a slow process. It will probably be painful a little bit at first, but it will be completely worth it. Your child will become a stronger and better reader. Okay, so when we're done sounding out both words, okay, they know this word's kids, they know this word's cats, then we're going to read it back from the beginning. Kids, cats. Okay, and then on to the next page. This one, okay, right here, put your finger underneath that first word. If they don't remember what it is, you're going to sound it out. It, kit. Okay, and then as. This is one of those special words where the S sounds like a Z. Okay, and then you're going to say kit has cat. Kit has cats. Okay, whenever we're done going through this, I am going to go back and pause on each slide. That way you will be able to pause and resume whenever you're ready for sounding out the words, and you won't hear my voice or anything like that. Well, I guess you could really do it here anyways. Okay, so finger underneath the first word. This word they might know from the very beginning. So this is kits. Okay, they're going to start recognizing some of the words. Cat. They should know that from the previous page. Kits, cats, run, run. Kits, cats, run. Fast, fast. Kits, cats, run, fast. Okay, and then we're going to move on to the next page. Okay, they'll probably know this. Kits, cats. And then here's that word, lap, lap. Kits, cats, lap, up. Kits, cats, lap, up. Milk, milk. Kits, cats, lap, up, milk. Okay, they're going to know this by this time probably. Kits, cats. Jump. Kits, cats, jump. They might know this one. Up. Kits, cats, jump, up. On. Kits, cats, jump, up, on. Kits, bed. Kits, cats, jump, up, on, kits, bed. Okay, so that's how we would do it in class. I kind of did it a little bit quicker, and I'm also going to attach the reading of this story that is posted on YouTube by another teacher, but here is why we're going to read this together. Okay, these are some discussion questions. Whenever you're done reading Kits, Cats, ask these questions to your child. Okay, this is going to get them thinking about what they read, and instead of just sounding out the sounds, it's going to make it more concrete for them. They're going to know Kit and then know how many cats she has, and you know all the answers to these questions, the characters. It really covers a lot of skills just by asking them a few little questions, okay? And you think the book didn't even have 6 pages, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the book had 5 pages plus, and that one of those was the title page, and they have 6 questions, you know, about the book. So they're trying to get them to remember a lot of information about this book, okay? So I'm going to pause here. I'm going to go back on pause on all the pages. Okay, so pause here and resume when you're ready. 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 And here. And then here. Okay. Again, I'm going to attach the reading of the book if we're still struggling with the sounds. That is okay, but I really want you to try to sound out the words yourself and read it with your child, okay? Or not you sound them out, but your child sound them out. Okay, great job, and I will see y'all here tomorrow.